I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a very good question on percent. Let us see how to solve it. Peter has started collecting stamps. About 4% of his stamps are damaged. If he has 11 damaged stamps, what is the total number of stamps in his collection? So that's the question for you. You can pause the video and answer this question. Now let's look into it. It says about 4% of his stamps are damaged, right? So we are given 4% of collection, let's say all stamps, right? C, or say stamps. 4% of stamps are damaged. This is what is given, right? Damaged. And how many are damaged? If he has 11 damaged. So these damaged stamps are indeed 11. So what we are given here is that 4% of stamps is actually equal to 11. We need to find how many stamps are there. I hope that makes things very clear. So let's write this in equation. 4% means 4 out of 100. Of means times. Stamps is 11, right? You can also convert this to decimals. Let's do it. 4 divided by 100 is how much? 0.04, okay? Times S is 100. Now we can divide by 0.04 both sides, right? So we'll divide by 0.04 on both sides to find the value of S, the number of stamps. So stamps is equals to 11 divided by 0.04. So let's use the calculator to find the answer. So we have 11 divided by 0.04. So we get a number which is 275. So we have 275 as our answer, right? So that is the total number of stamps which Peter has. So our answer is number of stamps is 275, correct? So that is the approach you can adopt to solve such questions, right? So there is an alternate method which you can also use at times. This comes from basic understanding of percent. So here is the alternate method for some of you. About 4% of his stamps are damaged. If he has 11 damaged stamps, what is the total number of stamps in his collection? So when we say 4% of his stamps is damaged, we know the damaged stamps, right? So 4% means what? Out of 100, 4 are damaged. So we can write 4 stamps are damaged. I'm writing in short. Out of how many? Out of 100. That is the meaning of 4% of his stamps are damaged. Do you see that? So 4 stamps are damaged out of 100. Now if he has 11 damaged stamps, what is the total number, right? So we can say in a different way. So 4 are damaged out of 100. 1 is damaged out of how much? So 1 damaged out of 100 divided by 4, right? So lesser, right? 4 are damaged out of 100, 2 out of 50, 1 out of how many? 1 out of 100 divided by 5. Is that okay? 100 divided by 4, which is 25. Now he has 11 damaged stamps. So 11 damaged out of, we'll multiply this by 11, right? 100 divided by 4 times 11. Does it make sense? So that is how it is. So let's do it. So we have, in a way, 100 times 11. Divide this by the number 4 to get the result. So we get the same result, 275. You get an idea? So at time, you can play with the statements and also find the answer. Percent always means out of 100, and that helps us to get the answer like this also. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.